cup of coffee to boost your energy and metabolism on a daily basis. While coffee is most widely used as a beverage, it's also gaining a reputation as an alternative remedy for the skin, which include phenols that help fight free radicals that can lead to skin damage. In fact, the American Chemical Society has found that coffee is the most popular source of antioxidants in the United States. While a cup of coffee can provide antioxidants internally, the purported skin benefits from coffee are primarily obtained topically. This involves making a mask, scrub, or paste from fresh coffee grounds and applying them to your skin directly. How coffee can benefit your skin. Below are 8 of the purported benefits that coffee may have for your skin, as well as suggested recipes for using them. 1. Cellulite reduction. Coffee may help reduce the appearance of cellulite on the skin. It's thought that the caffeine content trusted source in coffee is the key to cellulite reduction by dilating blood vessels beneath the skin and improving overall blood flow. In turn, this may help decrease the appearance of cellulite. This skincare method is thought to best be used via a coffee scrub because the exfoliation can also smooth your skin and provide an even appearance. 2. Calming effects. While coffee is renowned for its stimulating effects inside the body, it may provide the opposite effects when applied topically. This is thanks to the antioxidants in coffee. 3. Anti-aging benefits. Applying coffee directly to your skin may help decrease the appearance of sunspots, redness, and fine lines. In fact, one study trusted source found a direct correlation between drinking coffee and a decrease in photo-aging effects. 4. Vitamin B3 for skin cancer. Coffee is a rich source of vitamin B3, niacin, thanks to a breakdown of a key compound called trigonelin. However, trigonelin breaks down into niacin after coffee beans have been roasted. According to the Skin Cancer Foundation, niacin may be helpful in preventing no melanoma skin cancers and can possibly prevent other skin growths. 5. Reduced inflammation. Anti-inflammatory effects may be attributed to chlorogenic acid trusted source, CGA, as well as melanoidins in coffee. CGA is also linked to reducing hyperpigmentation that may have a connection with inflammation. 6. Acne treatment. In the case of a wound or frequent skin infections, the regular use of coffee could help combat problems from harmful bacteria. The CGAs in coffee have both anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Combined with the natural exfoliation of coffee grounds, all these benefits can collectively fight acne. 7. Dark circles. Coffee may also help treat stubborn dark circles under the eyes, according to Beverly Hills MD Cosmeceuticals. This is because the caffeine content in coffee is thought to help dilate blood vessels that contribute to dark circles. To use coffee for dark under eye circles. Combine 1/2 teaspoon each of coffee grounds and olive oil. Add in a couple drops of water to make a small paste in your hand. Gently pat underneath your eyes without rubbing. Leave the mixture on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse off with water or gently wipe the mask with a soft cloth. Repeat as often as needed. 8. After sun care. The same anti-aging benefits from coffee can also be used for post-sun care. The key here is to make a soothing treatment that your sunburned skin will appreciate, not a mask or a scrub as you would for other skin ailments. To make a coffee-based skin treatment for a sunburn. Brew a fresh cup of coffee. Then, dilute it with cold water. Place a soft cloth or a study paper towel in the water and wring out any excess. Gently dab the cloth on the affected areas of skin. Repeat several times a day until redness and swelling start to subside. How to make a coffee face mask. There are many different ways to make a coffee face mask at home. The best way is to mix coffee grounds with a non-comedogenic ingredient.
बनाने के बहुत से मुख्तलिफ तरीके हैं। सबसे बेहतर तरीका ये है कि काफी स्टेट्स को नून हाइड्रोजन कज्जा के साथ मिलाया जाए, मतलब ये आपके सुराखों को नहीं भरेगा। कोशिश करने का एक नुस्खा ये है, बराबर हिस्सों में जैतून का तेल और काफी ग्राउंड मिलाएं, सर्कुलर मोशन में अपने चेहरे पर लगाएं, 15 से 60 मिनट के दरमियान मास्क छोड़ दें, गर्म पानी से धो लें, हर हफ्ते में 3 बार तक दोहराएं।